Howdy, hotshots. It's Kevin with Earth 2 Mastery, beaming to you from the Infiniverse. And I've got a lot of people that, when I run into them, they wonder how I'm moving so fast inside the Infiniverse. Well, I'm using the A button to jump, the X button to jump. And if I see somewhere where I want to go quickly, if I'm walking along looking at streets, I'm always looking at my hand while I'm going on the street. But if I just want to get somewhere very quickly and I don't want to look at my wrist while I'm going, I use both the A button and the X button like this. One step in front of the other. And I can go pretty fast that way. I can cover a lot of ground really quickly. So that's how you can get to the further out cities in a timely manner without just walking slowly or going one at a time. All right, guys? Anyway, I'll talk to you later in the Infiniverse.